Hey everyone, here's a video, just a quick video on this Bearcat 980 SSB, which I modified for extra channels. It's got all the subs and it's got from channel 41 to 80 as well. It's a bit of a half a job really, because I'm not changing the channel number here, I'm not changing the frequency display here, because it was just way too difficult. It wasn't worth the trouble. If you want a radio that can do that, modifying one of these is probably not the go. The problem is that the MCU that controls the radio and the LCD readout here, the MCU has got about 1 million pins on it, and each one of those pins connects to an individual segment on the display, and that MCU, it's mounted up behind the front panel. So basically what it does is it detects the module just detects when you've rolled around from 40 to 1, and it switches you into high band. That's 40 and that's 41, and what happens is a little light comes on here just to show that you're in high band, and that's regular band. So now you're in high 1, which is 41. So yeah, not a great solution, but this is all the channels up to channel 80. So I've got the generator on 555, so that'll mean, and there's no skips up here, so that's 46 and that's 50 and that's 55. So you can see that that's the generator there. You can hear it. Yeah, so it works. And then you just keep rolling it. There's no switch to go in up high and low band. It's I could have tapped in here and put this LED on here and then maybe use one of these buttons to switch between bands, but it wasn't worth the trouble. I just thought rolling around all the 80 channels is just as easy. So when you get to 40, that's actually channel 80, and then when you go roll around from 80, now it goes back to 1 and the light goes out. So that's channel 80, high, and then back to 1. To get the subs, let's see, what sub will I get? 045 was my favorite back in the day. So 27045. So to get the subs, you'll see it'll miss the channel here. It'll go from channel 7, 035, 055, 065. So remembering I don't change the display, but it's skipping past that sub. But to get the sub, all you do is you go from one channel below the sub, you go one channel above the sub and back down again. So basically 787, and that'll give you the sub. So 787, and then you can see it now. We've got signal there on 78045, and this light now, it's kind of pulsing, sort of breathing. So that tells you you're on 7A. It'll only do that little trick on the subs. So if you wanted to get to 3A, you just go 3, 4, 3. And then the light's sort of breathing to tell you you're on 3A, and same 11, you go 11, whoops, you go 11, 12, 11, and now you're on 11A. So there's our signal, 095, 11A. So it's 11, and it's going on and off, so that's A. Yeah, so it works for all the subs. So you want 19A, 19, 20, 19. That's 19A, and 15 as well. 15, 16, 15 gives you 15A. And then, just rolling around all sort of 80 channels. That's basically it. All right, see you later.